Hey, good morning to Coffee with Electricians, Electricians, Electrical Contractors. In this video, I want to talk for a few minutes about Angi or Angie's List, Yelp, and some of the other paid services that you guys are probably doing. And if you're like me and everybody else, you hate them. Let's talk about it. All right, so I hear from you guys all the time when you're doing coaching how you're getting leads. You're getting leads. We talked about leads in the last Coffee with Electricians, right? Organic leads versus paid leads. Angie's List, Yelp if you're paying for it, Google Ads, Facebook posts, those are paid leads. You're gonna pay money, you're gonna get a lead. All of you know that if you've tried Angie's List, that you put your name out there, they're gonna spread it out to 4 or 5 of you contractors, and you're all gonna be fighting for this one customer's work. I personally do not do advertising on Angie's List or especially Yelp. If you're just starting out, I get it. I always tell people that's fine. Get on Angie's List, get on Yelp, get everywhere you can to get customers. Here's the problem. So you are getting a lead from Angie's and you're going out and you're doing the job, and then you're giving a big percentage to Angie, right? Or with Yelp, you're paying all this money to try to get leveled up so that the customer calls you. And yeah, you get a couple of calls, but you're still paying several $100s a month to Yelp. Here's what you're doing wrong. And this is why Angie's List and Yelp and all these other paid advertisings could matter. If Angie gives you a referral and you win that one job, and let's just say you got to pay them 50%, 25% of that money. At the end of the day, you're saying to yourself, well, I didn't do that well. Here's why, you guys. I've leveled up my electrical contracting business to a 7-figure business. We just sold $950,000 of work a couple of weeks ago. How did I get to that point? Because if I went and saw a customer, whether it's referred from Angie's or anywhere else, I would mine the customer. I'm gonna put my coffee cup down. What happens when you're mining? To mine for gold, and gold is our customer, it's that money that's coming out of their pocket. You are physically doing some hardcore labor to mine these customers. What if I teach you a way that you can mine your customers by simply having the right marketing tool, so when you leave that Angie's customer, you are giving them the right tools. For example, a flyer, and I will tell you in my marketing course, the Ultimate Marketing for Electrical Contractors course. Again, available at the website, www.the360electric.com. Am I trying to sell you something? Hell yeah, I'm trying to sell you an investment that's gonna generate tons of cash. You go to an Angie's customer. Hey Jeff, thank you very much for the work. He writes you a check, I write you a check, and then you're out the door. You're never gonna see that customer again. They're never gonna refer you again. Sure, there's a slight chance, but it's mostly never. They're just gonna get back on Angie's List and try to find the next guy that's gonna do it as cheap as possible. So what you need to do is every time you go and see a client, what you wanna do is leave them something in their hand that they're gonna call you back, that they're gonna make sure that they do refer you. So imagine, there's something here called a gift certificate. Do you know how to use it? You probably don't. Did you even know that service contractors can give gift certificates? No one's gonna buy this from you, okay? They're not gonna buy it from you, but I've got techniques on how, when you leave me as a client, I'm gonna make sure that I promote your business. So what happens? That one Angie's lead comes in, you take my Ultimate Marketing for Electrical Contractors, and that one Angie's lead that you had to pay all that money and you weren't happy to will guaranteed become 3 customers within that year, maybe the following year. But I promise you that you will get return on that investment. You already paid Angie. You already paid Yelp. You already paid Google Ads. Why not take that one customer that's worth so much and make them 3, and make those 3 into 9, make those 9 into 27? You see what I'm talking about? I want you to click the links below. If you're an electrical contractor, you just started out, or even if you've been doing this for a while, you gotta take the ultimate course for electrical contractors, all right? www.the360electrician.com. Now, did you know that if you join the channel that we have our monthly Google Meetup? What does that mean? That means you and I right now are having coffee together. But why not have coffee together where we can actually see each other and interact through Google Meet? And you've seen the videos. I'll post the card up here. You're gonna get online and we're gonna talk all things electrical. The last Google Meetup we had, we talked about service software. Do you have service software to run your company? Do you know what it is, and do you know how to use it to help you level up? If not, hey, come see me again for Coffee with Electricians. We'll see you on the next one.